What's wrong? Does Bear have something?
Why is he licking it? Oh.
That collar gets him stuck.
Come on, Muffin. Come on. Come on.
You okay? Henry, you okay?
Yes. Timber! Out of there! Get out of there! Get out of there! Let's go! Fuck!
Kata. Oh my gosh.
Get a longer run at it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go.
I feel like I'm rested. I'll be like hell trying to get back to sleep.
Get it, Dixie. Get it. Get it, Dixie. Get it. Get it, Dixie.
I'm trying to go, Sadie. Let me go. Please, let me go. I gotta go to work. Sadie! Come on!
Say hi, Harlow. Made a new friend. Very black. Is this a Saturday morning temper tantrum?
Good job, Maj. You're being very good with that. Another dog for him.
Layla. What you got? Huh?
It on? It's on. Okay, here's a puppy. She's playing bounce the balloon. Ah, what? Oh, she popped it.
Get out of bed. Come on. Zeus. Get out of bed. Come on. Come on.
Are you supposed to be on the couch? Are you? Hey! Hey!
What are you doing? Eve, I get sleepy.
Cayenne, ground black pepper, and some curing salt.
Let the dry rub sit on there for a week?
Yep.
Look at it go! Look at it go! Woo! Oh no!
The Dog Whisperer Family Edition with Caesar Milan. We'll be right back.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Just go right through the door. Say, Mom.